So it is vital that we foster business and investment exchanges, for this will encourage trade and investment through public-private partnerships and joint venture between business communities, thus strengthening also the government-to-government as well as the people-to-people relations.
Botswana will vote before Kenya votes itself in. And this is out of a desire to further nourish our friendship, because we trust you. We trust you with our issues that we need brought to the United Nations. We trust your stability, your readiness to engage.